Hey guys, Kelsey from Corner Coffee here. Today we're taking a look at our spring drinks for 2019, and I'm going to show you how we're making our Japanese iced brew. Now this is my personal favorite way of making coffee, so I'm so excited to feature it on our spring menu. This is also something that we offer year-round, whether it is negative 20 degrees or it is summer, you can get this coffee any time of the year. And something that's also exciting about this is that you can get it with any of our coffees. So it's not a certain kind of coffee, but any of our coffees, you can try all of them, and they all are delicious. So we're starting with 150 grams of ice in our carafe here, and we're using an iced Kalita, and I've already pre-wet the filter here, just ran a little bit of hot water over it. And then I have 24 grams of ground coffee. I do it about the same you would do for brewed coffee, maybe a touch finer. We want to make sure that this is even in our pour over. And then we're going to add 250 grams of water. So I'm going to start our timer here, pour 50 grams, and I'm pouring in clockwise motions. Slowly, and I'm going to let that bloom for 30 seconds and then continually pour about 50 grams at a time until it reaches 250. The key to this, like any pour over, is just maintaining your water. You don't want to let the grounds dry out, but you also don't want to completely fill up the pour over, so keeping it right in that middle range. The entire brew time should be about 3 minutes for this. It's pretty quick. Once your grounds look visibly dry, you can remove your pour over, and then this is how we serve it. So there's gonna be a little bit of ice left in the bottom, not a lot, but just enough so you're definitely left with a cold cup of coffee. But how we serve it is we're gonna serve it on a tray with a glass of ice so the customer can just serve their own coffee. And this here is my favorite drink on earth.